Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with extended running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in and accessing your box, as well as having the nice two-tone paint. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more in the middle up here, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 110-volt power outlet. You also have heated rear seats, which can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here, and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping and folding mirrors, or towing mirrors, folding towing mirrors. And then you have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your cruise controls, or adaptive cruise controls as well, and then your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you can also look at your truck information with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. And then you have all of your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle, including your driver assistance features. And you do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. You also have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, your hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again. Do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls, physically, that is, once again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, as well as a pro trailer backup controller at the very bottom. And on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet, and down here you have a compartment which opens up to reveal a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad. So if you put your phone on there and it is compatible, it will begin to charge. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector as well on the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, just a bit stiff since it's new, or if you just want to have more space for all of your stuff. Then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray and a ton of room inside, including another 12-volt power outlet. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof, so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.